Mr. Farsacci, could you explain to people watching this video what you were suffering from when you came into the office for the first time?
It was hard to walk. I couldn't walk following a procedure or a knee replacement, and I couldn't walk very well at all.
Can you describe, because your situation is actually pretty unique versus most people with a knee replacement, could you describe to people watching this video what your knee felt like after a replacement, how your body healed with the muscles? Can you talk about that for a moment?
Yeah, the knee was tight, very tight. I could hardly walk. It was a lot of pain. I had a lot of pain, and I could hardly walk. And but since I've been here, it's a lot better.
And so in addition to walking and the pain, were there any other things that you were restricted from doing after the surgery?
Yeah, living a normal life like I did before I had the surgery.
Well, of course, mobility is a major issue.
Yeah, right. I couldn't do things that I did. I'm a very active person, and I just couldn't do things that I did before.
Now, how long have you been under care now for in our office?
About approximately 3 months.
About 3 months. Please explain to people watching this video what type of results you've seen.
Well, I'm walking fine, no pain whatsoever. A little tight. The muscles are a little tight, which you're working on right now, and they've improved, but they're a little tight right now. But I feel much better. I feel much at ease when I leave here.
Are you walking better? Talk about your mobility. What do you find?
I'm walking better, and it's tough right now because I got arthritis in both legs, but I can't blame that on this one. This one is working fine. I walk better, I walk longer, and I work the pool every day, and it's like a miracle to me what's going on.
I remember meeting you for the first time and the frustration during your evaluation about how all the other treatments failed you. What other treatments were you doing? Explain to people watching this video what treatments you did faithfully for a year and still didn't see results. What were you doing before you came here?
Yeah, well, I was going for therapy 3 times a week for almost a year.
So traditional physical therapy.
Yeah. And then I started on my own, walking, and then starting in the pool. And there's a gym where I live, and I worked out in a gym, and I did this faithfully for over a year. Then I came to you, and my friend Phyllis told me about you, and I came to see you, and she's here also, and she saw vast improvements.
What percentage of improvement in your left surgerized knee would you say you got?
Right now, I got to say 75%. It's 75% better than it ever was.
That is absolutely amazing. I am so happy for you.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing your story.